Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I'll be making a reaction video to Paper Puppets Take 2, episode 13. So let's get started, shall we guys?
Morning, Gold Ingot!
Oh, hey guys!
Gold Ingot, what is all of this?
Just doing a few touch-ups. I figured it was time for a little change in scenery.
It seems more than a few to me.
Are the eliminated contestants still in the garage?
Oh, don't worry. I had that all taken care of.
Okay.
Got any fours? They all went back to the dark pit of despair pretty quickly. Well, I gotta say, man, you've seemed a lot better recently.
Okay.
Better? I feel great! Now everything will have to go back to the way it was. Things can only go up from here.
You know. Here's the title. It's the Cuphead song. A music from Cuphead.
Hello, Team 40. Oh. Where's Journal?
I don't know.
Oh well, can't dwell on that for too long. This elimination will be quick anyway. Oh, guys, we kinda need those seats. Or at least one. Could one of you move, please?
We're on break.
That's fine. Treasure Chest, you can make yourself comfy on the grass over here.
Okay.
We have a record-breaking 11,653 votes! The first time we've reached 5 digits! What a good day!
Wow, great job.
Treasure Chest, you got the prize, so you can have this piece of lumber. If you're safe, you get to be on a team by yourself! Anyway, the person eliminated is...
I mean, since there were only 2 people on the team, only one was
Journal.
eliminated.
Guess I don't have to kick anyone off the cliff, since he's not here. Oh! Now we can get straight to my special surprise!
Okay.
Great. Now I owe Melon $50.
Well, look at this! The last one standing! But that won't be for long! That's right, Chainsaw! Because starting today, we've reached a new stage in the game! No more teams!
Cool.
What? You guys will now be fighting for individual immunities. Things are really gonna start ramping up. Now
Cool.
on to the challenge. This one is pretty simple. You guys will have to make your way across this cliff. Get over by any means possible. There's a pile of junk to help you get across, and the first 3 players to get to the other side will win immunity. Go, go, go!
Give it to me. Let go. It's mine.
Give it to me.
Chainsaw, I know you did. Please.
Give it to me.
Give
It's
me the
mine.
rope.
It's mine.
It's
Give
mine.
it. Give it.
They just fighted too much.
Great. Now no one gets to use
I
it.
clearly had it first.
Hey guys, look what I found.
Ooh, this'll really come in handy. All we need to do now is find a sturdy spot to use it, and then... Seriously?
I thought it was a boomerang.
Let's go find some other junk. I'm really not in the mood.
So we're still working together, right guys?
Oh yeah, for sure. Teammates will still stand strong.
I know.
Right, Night Helmet? Where is he? What are
in here
you
with
doing?
a story?
Simple-minded, Plasma Ball! The best items will surely be at the bottom of the pile. This is our first immunity challenge, and I bet Gold Ingot did that on purpose. Maybe a challenge within a challenge.
Hey!
Night Helmet, you moron! We have to find useful things, like a rope or a catapult or.
Wait, a catapult. I think that can work.
Yeah,
We have our
could work.
seat as well as our passenger.
Oh.
Yep.
Are you sure about this?
Got any better ideas?
Well, I was thinking maybe we
Morons.
Hey, Ukes, what's up with you?
Yeah.
Oh, just thinking about. You know.
Still? I thought you were over it. You seemed happy during the board game, at least.
Yeah, I felt fine during the challenge. But now that it's over, I just can't stop thinking about her. I don't know what to do.
Maybe it's time you find another way to feel happy. You can try doing what I do, putting your foot down and playing dirty.
What? I don't know about that.
Oh, come on! Being bad is cool and
No, it's
funny.
not.
Watch!
Come on, Night Helmet, get in the seat.
No way! Strong winds are not good for this luscious hair!
Well, if Night Helmet is too scared to go, I'll just do it. Guess I really am braver than him.
Out of the way, you! No swashbuckling mistress is gonna outshine me! My dear teammates, today we make history with our latest creation. Onward!
Whoops. Silly me.
Why, you little brat!
It's not worth it, Cosmo Ball. It's not worth it.
See? That wasn't so bad, right? I'm just looking out for myself, and maybe you should start doing that too.
I'm still not sure. I just don't like hurting anyone's feelings.
Well, it's your choice, but if you don't start looking out for yourself now, people are gonna take advantage of that.
Some nice people would take advantage if you do something, if you act mean to others.
Ooh, nice board.
thanks. Wait, I thought you were working with Bottle and Post-it Note.
Oh, well, Post-it Note doesn't seem to be happy with me right now.
Trust me, I know that feeling all too well. I mean, not with Post-it Note specifically, but just that general feeling of people not being happy.
Yeah, that sucks. But, wanna work together? Looks like we both need someone else to hang out with.
You know what? I'd like that. I think some change would be good. It'll help me with this plague. I think I got an idea. You ready up there?
Ready?
What?
Seems to have a good grip. If only I had a rope to tie onto it. That would be great.
Not my problem.
Yes, it is.
Bottle, don't get yourself all riled up over them. Letting them mess with you will not be good in the long run.
Sorry, it's just, when someone pushes, I always feel like I need to shove.
No, I get it. It's all good. Let's just focus on beating these losers.
He exploded.
Brilliant. What do you think you're doing? Let go of me!
Hey, that's traveling!
Be careful!
Let go of me now!
Post-it Note.
Post-it Note is the first save!
How's that for brilliance? Bottle, grab on.
An easy
Hang on.
route to immunity. Don't mind if I do.
No.
Get over here!
Oh, sorry, that was a bit immature of me.
What an entrance. Bottle is safe. Only one spot left.
Yep, one spot left.
Ow! The board broke. Any other ideas?
No. But there's gotta be something in here we can use. Let's see here, no, yeah, no. Weird frisbee.
What about, like, a big slingshot? All we need to do is find some rubber mats and then...
What the?
A tree just fell down.
Oh, no you don't! That immunity is mine!
Come on!
Caramel Cube, keep going! Get off of me!
I am not letting you get away with this. Let go!
Here to help! No!
Oh, same spot and same spot.
Yes! Here we go! Wait, what?
And ukulele is the last one safe.
Wow, that felt good.
Yeah, look at you. That wasn't so bad, right?
Are you serious right now? That's so unfair, Ukulele.
Don't listen to her. She's just jealous about your win. You fought for it, and it's rightfully yours.
Yeah.
Wow, what a day. So it looks like you 8 are all up for elimination. Wait, where's Night Helmet?
Oh my gosh! Night Helmet, are you okay?
Clearly not! My hair is a mess!
I know.
Actually, I think the look suits you.
Leave him alone. You think you're so proud of yourself for this, but I'm sure the viewers think otherwise. Actually, about that, since we're in the merge now, I wanted to do something special as a way to congratulate you all for making it this far. So from now on, you guys have earned the right to cast votes for eliminations. No more viewer voting. I will see you all tonight for the first contestant vote of the season. Make your vote count.
Alright. So, that means we can't vote anymore.
But basketball is useful in challenges. We saw Post-it Note use him to win, so what's to stop Chainsaw from doing the same?
Did you not see what Slipper did? Totally unnecessary.
Slipper doesn't do anything for Chainsaw, though.
We were thinking the same thing. If we get rid of Chainsaw's crutches now, then he'll have nowhere to go.
But shouldn't we just go for Chainsaw now?
Sorry, I'm sticking with Slipper.
What? Plasma Ball?
Caramel Cube, they're definitely both gonna get a lot of votes. So Bottle and I can just vote basketball with you. Right, Bottle?
I guess.
Here we are, the first merge elimination of the season. Hope you guys like the new sitting area. There were some leftover materials from the construction today. If you're safe, you'll get something from this wondrous box of prizes.
That's just a toolbox.
Post-it note, bottle, and ukulele were immune. I'll start reading the votes. First vote. Basketball. Caramel Cube. Slipper. Basketball. Treasure Chest. Chainsaw. Chainsaw again. Caramel Cube. Slipper.
Yep.
Caramel Cube. And the final vote goes to... Cup. With only 3 votes, Caramel Cube is eliminated.
What the heck were these votes?
Dude, did you not vote with us?
I thought treasure chest was the obvious vote.
It should have at least tied. What happened?
Oh, was it not vote to save?
I'm really sorry, Caramel Cute. We should have voted with you. I just didn't know it was gonna be this jumbled.
I mean,
now you're.
I am mad I'm out, but we didn't know that was gonna happen. Don't blame yourself for this. You just wanted to get Slipper. I get it. Just keep going. I'm rooting for you two. I think I'll be fine down there. I have some catching up to do anyway.
Yeah, that's sad. Yep, good for her. Let's get to the end.
Already looking good. Oh, wow. This looks amazing. It's like a breath of fresh air. These new carpets are so fluffy. Gold Ingot, we know why. Oh, would you look at that? This place finally has a fridge and an ice tray. Premium.
Yep.
Gold
Very
Ingot,
nice.
we're trying to talk to you.
Man, when Santa Hat and Loaf come back, they're gonna love this place. I even have some new.
Santa Hat and Loaf are not coming back!
What? Of course they are. It's only a matter of time. And what makes you think they're coming back? Well, I'm doing nice things. How would they know you're doing any of this? You don't even know where they went. I mean, they have to come back soon, right? Right?
It's unknown. Well, the episode's over, and I like it. And yep, there's no more voting. So yeah. Goodbye for now.